Welcome to Blue Team Resources, your go-to destination for free cybersecurity tools and expert training, all at your fingertips. In this video, we'll cover the definition of vulnerability management, its connection with threat management, the top tools and software for vulnerability management, risk-based vulnerability management, and the challenges you might face in this field. Let's get started. What is vulnerability management? The definition. Vulnerability management is a systematic and proactive approach to identifying, evaluating, prioritizing, and mitigating vulnerabilities in an organization's IT infrastructure. It helps organizations reduce the risk of security breaches and maintain a strong cybersecurity posture. Threat and vulnerability management, the connection. You might be wondering about the connection between threat management and vulnerability management. Threat management focuses on identifying, assessing, and responding to potential threats targeting your organization. In contrast, vulnerability management aims to minimize the potential attack surface. By combining these approaches, organizations can effectively safeguard their IT infrastructure from cyber threats. Vulnerability Management Lifecycle, a comprehensive guide. To effectively manage vulnerabilities, it's crucial to understand the 7 steps of the vulnerability management lifecycle. Let's dive into each step and explore how they can help safeguard your organization's IT infrastructure. Step 1. Inventory discovery. First, inventory discovery involves using tools to identify all assets within your organization's network. This includes devices, operating systems, and applications. A comprehensive inventory ensures you have visibility into your entire attack surface. Step 2. Asset prioritization. Next, prioritize assets based on their value to your organization, considering factors such as criticality, sensitivity, and potential financial loss in case of a breach. This step helps you focus on protecting the most important assets first. Step 3. Vulnerability scanning. Now it's time to scan for vulnerabilities. Use vulnerability scanners to examine each asset. Tailor the scan configuration to the specific asset type, operating system, and applications to ensure accurate results. Find out about the top vulnerability management tools we picked in the next section. Step 4. Threat assessment. With vulnerabilities identified, assess the threats by leveraging frameworks to pinpoint potential threats or adversaries that could exploit your discovered vulnerabilities. Understanding the threat landscape helps you make informed decisions about vulnerability prioritization and remediation. Step 5. Risk evaluation. Evaluate the risk associated with each vulnerability by considering the asset's value at risk, the potential threats, and the true severity of the vulnerability. Use qualitative or quantitative methods to assess risk and reprioritize vulnerabilities accordingly to maximize protection. Step 6. Remediation. Remediation is all about addressing vulnerabilities quickly to prevent exploitation. Apply patches, implement configuration changes, or deploy mitigating controls to secure your assets. Additionally, monitor your assets using tools like SIEM, security information and event management, to stay vigilant. Step 7. Review and validation. Finally, verify that vulnerabilities have been effectively addressed by conducting penetration testing specific to the remediated vulnerability. This step ensures that the vulnerability can no longer be exploited and confirms the success of your remediation efforts. Vulnerability management tools and software, top picks. With a solid understanding of the vulnerability management lifecycle, it's time to explore the best tools and software for vulnerability management. Here are our top picks. Tenable Nessus, a widely used and trusted vulnerability scanning tool that offers accurate vulnerability identification, flexible scanning configurations, and seamless integration with other security tools. Qualys VM, a cloud-based solution that provides continuous scanning, prioritization of vulnerabilities, and automated patch deployment to keep your organization's assets secure. Rapid7 Insight VM, a powerful vulnerability management platform that combines real-time analytics with advanced reporting capabilities to help you prioritize vulnerabilities and track remediation progress. Each tool has its strengths, so choose the best fit for your organization's needs and budget. Risk-based vulnerability management, maximizing security. Risk-based vulnerability management takes a strategic approach to address vulnerabilities by prioritizing them based on their potential impact on the organization. Focusing on high-risk vulnerabilities first allows you to allocate resources more effectively and maximize your security posture. Challenges of vulnerability management and how to overcome them. Vulnerability management is not without its challenges. Some common obstacles include keeping up with evolving threats, managing a large volume of vulnerabilities, ensuring timely patching and remediation. To overcome these challenges, implement a robust vulnerability management process, invest in the right tools, and foster a strong cybersecurity culture within your organization. Conclusion. And that's it for today. With a solid understanding of vulnerability management, its connection to threat management, and the best tools available, you're well on your way to maintaining a secure IT infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.